Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we make hand print Christmas art. Are you ready? So let's get started. What is the color?
Orange,
This one
pink,
and this one.
brown,
This one.
yellow,
Very good girl. This one.
yellow, green,
Very good. Ye wala.
red,
And this.
green.
Very good. Now the time to take green color with the help of paintbrush and apply green color paint all over your hand.
How do we look, sir?
What is the color?
Green.
Okay. Now gently press your hand on the paper like this. Yes. One more time. We separate the paint on your hand with the help of brush. Well done.
ये तो इसमें लग गया.
One more time. Yes, we did it. And with the help of paintbrush, we settled it. And don't forget to clean your hand when you are done. Now we are using paintbrush to give the shape of triangle. Now the time to make star with yellow color paint. You can use also your thumb. And even sprinkle a little glitter star also. Now we decorate the tree with red color paint. You can add also sticker. Remember, there are not right or wrong way to decorate. Just have fun and let your imagination shine. There you have it. Our handprint Christmas tree almost complete. Does not it look amazing? You did such a wonderful job. Thank you for making this Christmas tree with me today. If you had fun, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye kids. See you soon.